Hello everyone, this is the website that I chose for writing across the curriculum. This website is based on Colorado State University. It is funded by donations from professors, from journalists, from anyone that really wants to include research. And these people have written journals, books, and plenty of research on writing across the curriculum. This website is an easy website to go through. As you can see, it's very simple. It's user friendly. If you don't know anything about what writing across the curriculum is, you could be a student, you could be a teacher, you could be a parent, and it is very, very easy to go through. The language is very practical. It's it I mean it just scrolling through here, you can see it answers every question that you would possibly have for writing in the curriculum. It does give you, it not only tells you what it is, how to accomplish it, but it also tells you how to assess it and how to get to create rubrics to make sure that this is being implemented correctly. I really did like that this website uses technology in all aspects um, for collaborative writing assignments. How every question that a teacher and a parent may have is here. So, and like I said, I really did like it because it could tell you, just not any writing assignment, of course, is going to be effective. It tells you how to do it, what principles to go that are included to make it and such. And then after every question, or most of the questions, I should say, there are references. So if you have further questions about the information then that's presented to you, then you can also go to these references and dig deeper into certain questions you may have. So, like I said, this is a very, very user-friendly website that anyone could use. Let's see if I can go back here. I wanted to show you what the homepage looked like, just because I wanted to show you how it gives you information about books. Like I said, further research if you wanted to really get into, writing across the curriculum and how it's effective, and any research that anyone has done, you could find it here. So, hope you enjoy this website. I did. I know I'm going to continue to look through it and use it as a reference for me further as I become a future teacher. Thank you.